That's my smoke detector. As you can see, the red light is on. That means it's and this smoke detector is an alarm. The green light is not blinking when this smoke detector is that light is blinking when it's in normal condition. And as you can see, this red light is on for some reason. I don't know what happened with it. There's the back of it. Let me see, make sure there's no problems with the wiring. No, there's no problems with the wiring. The wiring is good. But I don't know why the thing keeps going off. Watch. If you give it a few minutes, I disabled the zone, so that's why the fire alarms are not going off. Because it kept setting off the alarm. In a few seconds, you'll see the red light come on. See? There's my carbon monoxide alarm. Okay. If anyone knows why that is or something, please comment. Thank you for watching.